Hi, I'm Hanbit, and I'm a pastry chef from Korea. Hi everybody, it's Hanbit here. 안녕하세요, 조한빛입니다. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and pretty looking petit gâteau, and it is the chocolate cube. Let's take a look at the components. You're going to start by the chocolate sable cookie as the base, and then you have the chocolate mousse. It's dark chocolate with a bit of milk chocolate, and inside you have the strawberry jelly. And strawberry pairs really well with dark chocolate. And finally, I'm going to apply the velvet effect, and it looks amazing. So why don't we start right away? Let's start by making the chocolate sable base. In terms of the method, it's identically the same as making a tart shell, so please take a look at my previous upload on how to make tart shells. So once you make the dough, you want to roll it out, and then you want to cut it out with a cookie cutter. So please take a look at my tart shell video, and I'm going to jump straight to cutting out the dough using a cookie cutter. Great, so here's my dough that's rolled out. I've kept it in the fridge, or you can keep it in the freezer. So I've taken it out, and I'm going to use my cookie cutter, a square cookie cutter, to cut them out, place it on the perforated mat, and then place another perforated mat on top so that the dough is in between the perforated mats, so that when you bake it, it's going to bake evenly and relatively flat. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Great, now I'm going to bake this in the preheated oven. Great, so it has been nicely baked and it has cooled down, so let's take a look. Look at that. That looks nice and uniform. Right, now I'm going to show you how to make the strawberry jelly. So this component goes inside this mousse cake in the center. And it's strawberry jelly, so it's mostly strawberries, but I've added a bit of raspberry as well. So here I've got strawberry and raspberry puree, and that raspberry puree gives that extra flavor. Sugar and gelatin, I've prepared this in advance, so it's just a matter of heating up the puree, adding, dissolving, and mixing the sugar and gelatin, and then pouring it into the silicone mold. So I've heated up the puree, and now I'm going to add in the rest and mix them. Great, it's mixed well, so I'm going to pour it into the silicone mold. Great, now I'm going to freeze this completely in the freezer. Right, now I'm going to show you how to make the chocolate mousse. And this chocolate mousse is super easy because you just need the ganache and whipped cream, and that's about it. So here I've got heavy cream, which I'm going to whip in advance. And then here I've got gelatin. Because it's mousse, you want to keep it in shape, keep the form. So I've got gelatin, I've prepared that in advance. And finally, I've got ganache here. And with the ganache, I've melted milk chocolate and dark chocolate, and I've put milk inside there as well. So I want the ganache to be at around kind of 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. I'll just put it all in a beaker like this, and I'm just going to blend it with the hand blender, and then you'll have a perfect ganache. And then I'm going to mix it with the rest of the ingredients. So first, I'm going to whip the heavy cream. Perfect, so now I'm going to make the ganache and then mix everything together. So I've melted the milk chocolate and dark chocolate together with milk here, and it's around kind of 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. It's perfect. So I'm just going to blend it with a hand blender, and you'll get a nice ganache. Great, so yeah, that looks nice. And now I'm going to add in the gelatin and mix that in. Great, so that looks good. And remember the whipped cream that I whipped earlier? I'm going to mix that with this once the temperature comes down. We're now going to pipe it in the mold. Now, I'll freeze this completely. Perfect. That looks absolutely beautiful, right? So now I'll try it. Totally rich chocolate, and you have that strawberry jelly in the middle with the sable base at the bottom. Absolutely amazing. So how was it? As long as you can make the mousse, it's not actually that difficult, and it has fewer components than a regular petit gâteau, so you can definitely give it a go and you will just love it. Hope you enjoy, and I'll see you again next time with another amazing recipe. Thank you very much. 감사합니다. For more YouTube videos, please click here. If you want to take a step further with your baking and pastry, then please visit my website on www.hanbitshow.com. Thank you very much. 감사합니다.